A couple weeks ago, Perm made a video about using time dilation in Einstein's theory of relativity and stuff like that, and incorporating it into cubing to get faster times. But there's a flaw. Perm, he overlooked this. A guy like that, to overlook something so significant and obvious? Well, it's time to explain. In his video, Perm explained that you want your cube to be higher than the timer, because the closer you are to gravity, the slower time goes by. So the time is going to go slower for the timer, because the timer is closer to the center of the Earth, lower, where gravity is coming from, and the cube is higher. So time's going to go by faster for the cube, but slower for the timer. So the timer is going to get to less time than it would if you did the same amount of solves here. Now, this can be advantageous to just a millisecond, maybe, which is, it's definitely a lot. It's definitely a world record difference. Some people in a competition won by a single millisecond. That's how significant it could be. Perm also explained that motion helps. If you're moving faster, time is going by slower. So he mentioned that the one-handed world record kept a hand on the timer, and his body motion was making the timer move just a little bit. So since it's moving, it's going to help slow down time. But what about the cube? Is the cube not moving faster than anything else that is even relevant to getting a faster time? Now, I want to know why he completely overlooked this. This is quite obvious. The cube is going faster, therefore time is going to go by slower for it, and you're not going to get faster times. Here's a prime example. You know how when you turn faster, you can get a better time, but when you turn slower, you can get better times more consistently, and you might be thinking that's because when you turn fast, you're more likely to make a mistake. If you turn slow, you're less likely to make a mistake. But no, it's quite obvious. The faster you turn, the faster time goes by. Therefore, you're not going to get fast times. Here's me at full speed. 2.47. Now here's me at not full speed. 1.62, guys. We have actual proof. Perm, I want you to respond and tell me why you overlooked this. This is kind of a big deal.